Last year alone, a staggering 14% of workers claimed to have lost their jobs directly to AI. Shockingly, British Telecom aims to replace 10,000 staff with AI within the next 7 years, while a whopping 81.6% of digital marketers believe content writers will face job losses due to AI advancement. From CEOs of AI firms like those at OpenAI have signed an open letter warning about the risk of AI-induced job extinction. It's no wonder that nearly 30% of workers harbor concerns about their jobs succumbing to technological replacement. But it's not all doom and gloom. While AI undoubtedly poses challenges to traditional job markets, it also presents exciting opportunities for innovation, growth, and transformation. As AI continues to evolve, it's reshaping industries, creating new markets, the way we work and live. In this video, we will explore what AI is, how it's impacting the global economy, the key players in the AI industry, and its implications for the job market. So whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting your career journey, join us as we unravel the mysteries of AI and its profound effects on our world. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Growth Gateway. Stay tuned with us by hitting the subscribe button because the future of work starts now, right here. Imagine you are at home planning a weekend getaway with your family. You open your smartphone and ask, "Hey Siri, what's the weather forecast for Saturday?" Instantly, the assistant responds with the latest weather updates, helping you plan your trip accordingly. How does this magic happen? Let's take a closer look at the example of our Siri. When you speak to your device, it uses AI-powered speech recognition to understand your words and convert them into text. Then it analyzes your query, retrieves relevant information from the internet, and provides you with a personalized response, all within a matter of seconds. Now let's imagine this. You are lounging on the couch, scrolling through Netflix or Amazon Prime, trying to decide what you watch next. Suddenly you notice something interesting, a personalized recommendation that seems tailor made just for you. How does this happen? Let's make a closer look at the example of Netflix and Amazon Prime. Have you ever wondered how these platforms seems to know exactly what you want to watch? It's all thanks to AI-powered recommendation system. These systems analyze your viewing history, preferences, and behavior to suggest movies and shows that you are likely to enjoy. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. It involves creating algorithms that enable machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. Behind the scenes, AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions. In the case of virtual assistant, it learns from your interactions over time, becoming better at understanding your preferences and providing personalized recommendations. Beyond virtual assistants, AI is also used in various other aspects of everyday life. For example, AI-powered algorithms determine the content you see on social media feeds, recommend movies and music on streaming platforms, and even predict traffic patterns to help you navigate the roads more efficiently. AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's already deeply embedded in our daily lives, making tasks easier, more convenient, and more personalized. From planning your weekend activities to staying connected with friends and family, AI is transforming the way we interact with technology. In today's interconnected world, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful force reshaping the global economy. From transforming industries to driving innovations, the impact of AI is undeniable. But how exactly is AI influencing the economic landscape? Let's explore with some examples. Consider the manufacturing sector, where AI-powered robots are revolutionizing production processes. These robots can perform repetitive tasks with speed, precision, and efficiency, leading to increased productivity and cost savings for manufacturers. By automating routine tasks, companies can reallocate resources to more strategic activities, driving overall economic growth. In healthcare, AI is transforming the way we diagnose and treat diseases. Medical imaging algorithms can analyze scans and detect abnormalities with greater accuracy than ever before. AI powered virtual assistants can help doctors streamline administrative tasks, allow them to focus more on patient care. By improving healthcare outcomes and reducing cost, AI is contributing to a healthier and more productive workforce. In the finance industry, AI algorithms are driving innovation in areas such as risk management, fraud detection, and customer service. Machine learning models can analyze vast amounts of financial data to identify patterns and predict market trends. Chatbots and virtual assistants can provide personalized financial advice to customers, improving satisfaction and retention. By leveraging AI, financial institutions can make faster, more informed decisions, leading to greater efficiency and profitability. The impact of AI on the global economy is profound and far reaching. From automation in manufacturing to innovation to healthcare, finance, and retail, AI is transforming industries, driving efficiency, and unlocking new opportunities for growth and prosperity. As AI continues to evolve, its potential to shape the future of our economy is limitless. Let's shine a spotlight on the key players in AI. For journey begins with Google, a household name with innovation. Its deep expertise in data analytics and machine learning, Google has been a trailblazer in the field of AI. From its search engine algorithms to its voice activated assistant, Google Assistant AI is at the core of many Google's products and services. Next up, we have Amazon, the e-commerce giant that's also making waves in AI. Amazon's AI-powered recommendation engine personalizing the shopping experience for millions of customers worldwide, while its voice control assistant Alexa has become a fixture in households everywhere, demonstrating the company's commitment to AI-driven innovation. Moving to the Microsoft, a global leader in software and cloud computing. Microsoft's AI initiatives span a wide range of applications, from natural language processing with Cortana to computer vision with Azure Cognitive Services. With its focus on democratizing AI and making it accessible to developers and businesses, Microsoft is empowering organizations to harness the power of AI for innovation and growth. No discussion of AI would be complete without mentioning IBM, a company with a rich history of innovation in technology. IBM's Watson AI platform is renowned for its ability to analyze large data sets, extract insights, and make predictions across industries such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. IBM continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Last but not the least, we have Tesla, the electric vehicle manufacturer, led a visionary entrepreneur, Elon Musk. Tesla's self-driving technology powered by AI and neural networks is paving the way for the future of transportation. With features like autopilot and full self-driving, Tesla is at the forefront of AI-driven innovation in the innovative industry. These are just a few examples of the key players driving innovation in the AI industry. From Google and Amazon to Microsoft, IBM, and Tesla, these companies are harnessing the power of AI in transform industries, improve lives, and shape the future of technology. AI is reshaping the way we work and the skills we need to succeed. Let's start by taking a look at the current job market. With advancement in AI technology, automation is becoming increasingly prevalent across industries. Routine and repetitive tasks are being outsourced to AI-powered systems, leading to concerns about job displacement and workforce disruption. However, it's not all doom and gloom. While some jobs may be at risk of automation, AI is also creating new opportunities and reshaping existing. The key lies in understanding how AI can augment human capabilities and drive innovation. One of the most significant implications of AI for the job market is augmentation. The idea that AI can enhance human skills and productivity rather than replace them entirely. AI-powered tools can automate routine tasks, freeing up time for employees to focus on higher value activities that require creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence. For example, in customer service, AI chatbots can handle basic inquiries, allowing human agents to handle more complex issues and provide personalized assistance. Similarly, in healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing disease and developing treatment plans, improving patient outcomes and efficiency. Moreover, AI is creating new job opportunities in emerging fields such as data science, machine learning, engineering, and AI ethics. As organizations harness the power of AI to drive innovation and competitive advantage, the demand for skilled AI professionals is on the rise. From data analysts to AI engineers to AI ethics, the policy advisors, there is a wide range of roles for individuals with expertise in AI and related disciplines. By investing in education and training programs, individuals can position themselves for success in the AI driven economy for the future. In conclusion, the implications of AI from the job market are complex and multifaceted. While automation may lead to job displacement in some sectors, AI also presents opportunities for augmentation, innovation, and new job creation. By embracing AI technologies and adapting to changing skills requirements, individuals and organizations can thrive in the evolving job market landscape. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on technology, innovation, and growth. Until the next time on Growth Gateway.